Hi there, welcome back to my channel Taste of Fiji. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sastrikal and Nisambula Vinaka. Today I'm going to show you how to cook an authentic Fijian fish curry. Fiji is a multicultural place and every cultures have their own way of cooking any dish. So this is my version of Fijian fish curry. You with me? All right, let's get it on. Well, my fish curry is done and I'm gonna try and taste it out. Usually people have it on roti, cassava, dalo or rice. I prefer rice and I'm gonna have it with rice. So let's see. Man, it's so damn tasty. Well guys, thank you for watching my show. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next time, like we Fijians say, Nisam Mode.